How I organize my time to study English every day. Hello, everyone. How are you? Today, I want to tell you how I organize my time uh, each day to study English because I know that one of the hardest things when I learning something new is uh, finding the time to actually do it. I don't have a perfect schedule or a super strict routine, but I do try to follow a few simple habits that help me stay consistent without stressing too much. First, I try to dedicate at least 20 or 30 minutes a day to studying English. It doesn't matter if it is in the morning, afternoon, or at night. Uh, what matters is that I do something every day, even if it's something small. Second, I divide my time into small activities. For example, I listen to a short audio or podcast. I read a few pages or a story or an easy book. I review vocabulary with flashcards or an app. Um, and if I have more time, I practice pronunciation using the Oxford Dictionary or repeat phrases out loud. Third, I keep a notebook where I write down what I did each day, not to pressure myself, but to stay motivated, seeing that I've been consistent makes me want to keep going. Fourth, when I study, I try to avoid distractions. I turn off notification or use headphones to focus better. And finally, I try not to be too hard on myself. Some days I study a lot, and other days I can only do a little, and that's okay too. The most important thing is consistency, not perfection. That's how I organize my time to study English. I don't have a magic uh, formula, but I do have the motivation to learn, and that helps me move forward day by day. Thanks for watching this video. See you very soon. And don't forget, you can do it too.